loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a review of my Adidas Sambas, and I will let you know if this pair of shoes are still on for 2024. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So, like I've mentioned, I am going to do a review of my Adidas Sambas since I have purchased them for almost a year or at least more than 6 months now. I will let you know what my thoughts are upon wearing them, and also I'm going to let you know if the Sambas are still on for 2024, and I also have a surprise unboxing, so be sure to watch the video until the end. Okay, so before I start the video, I'm just going to let you know that I did an unboxing of this shoes and a first impression. I'm going to put the card just right there as well as a link in the description down below. So for those of you who haven't seen it, go check it out so you have an idea how was it fun unboxing. So now I'm going to go straight to the review itself. So I have this pair of shoes for more than 6 months now. So I purchased them exactly last June, so June of 2023, and ever since I got them, I immediately used them. I used it during summertime, during fall, even during winter season, except that, you know, I wore them when it didn't snow and such. And now during springtime, I am also using them. So it's really a 24/7 type of shoes. But before I go deep into the review, I'm just going to show you how my Sambas looks like right now. So sorry, I haven't wiped them and such, so it's a bit, you know, let's say dirty because I have been using them. So that's how they looks like right now. For someone who has been wearing them quite a lot, I think they are still in a very good shape and condition. The only the sole are, yeah, nice, not dirty, good. But the only thing though is that I don't know if you can see the insole, they are a bit, you know, used now. And I also have a dog. I have a Dachshund with short hair, so even though we always vacuum and mop our floors, there will still be some hair. So I got some dog hairs inside, but I usually vacuum the inside so that, yeah, it stays clean. So that's how my Sambas looks like right now. Now I'm going to go deep into the review itself. So first and foremost, this pair of shoe, I got them at a shop in Antwerp. That was the time that I think, if I'm not mistaken, the Sambas were sold out everywhere, and the prices were, you know, the resale value was so high. Well, not really resale, but those who have them, they were selling it for such a high price. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to buy them for that kind of price. Sometimes they were around 200 euros or something like that. So I think it was so excessive. And then I actually saw them in, like I've mentioned, in one of the boutiques in Antwerp. And when I saw it there, they have my size, and I got it for the normal retail price, which was 120 euros. And then the size that I got was a size 36. To be honest, I wanted to try them first before purchasing them, because even though I know my foot size, it's always better for me to try them because I have a very small feet and very narrow feet. So yeah, it really depends from one brand to another, or even in the same brand, it tends to be different because of the shape and form of the shoe itself. So in this case, in the Sambas, I am a size 36, and it was really perfect because the Sambas, they are narrow pair of shoes, so 36 was the right size for me. So yeah, so I have purchased it in the Antwerp boutique for the normal retail price and for the size 36. And to be honest, like I've mentioned on my video, when I have unboxed it, I was drawn into this style because of Instagram. Instagram always influenced me, oh my god. So yeah, but this is a good influence because I have been able to wear them with different type of outfits. I wore them with pants, with jeans, with shorts, even with dresses and skirts as well. So it is a very versatile pair of shoes, and apart from that, very comfy. The first time I wore them, it was immediately easy to walk and I didn't get any blisters from it. So it was really very easy and comfortable from the beginning. As for the style, I mean the color combination, I took the neutral one, the classic one, because I know that it will really be easy for me to use them with different kinds of outfits that I have. All in all, I'm very pleased with the pair of shoes, and the fact that I was pleased, I even, to be honest, I even offered or forced in a way my hubby and my son to be twinning with me. So I'm just going to show you how their Sambas looks like. Just a second. So my hubby's Sambas looks like this. So that's his Sambas. In comparison to me, he doesn't wear them that much because he likes also, he has different shoes. At first when he tried it, he has a larger feet than me, but it was still okay. He had to pick a size 43 and a half or 43 and 1/3. In general, he's a 41 and a half or a 42, but this time he took a 43 and 1/3 because I think he tried the 42 and a half, but it wasn't good when he tried it because, like I mentioned, he has a larger feet, so it was kind of like swollen here, so it wasn't nice since this is a narrow pair of shoes, like I've mentioned. So that's why he took a 43 and 1/3, but it was okay. It wasn't that long. It was let's say a perfect size. So like I mentioned, always, if you have the opportunity, always make sure to try them if you have a boutique and if there's one available. So yeah, so he took that size, and I think he took this one as well because he is a flat-footed guy, so he can take off the insole, which is important for him. So yeah, so I'm not going to take out this one, but he takes out the insole and he put his own insole, so it was also good. So yeah, so for him, I gifted him his Samba so we can be twinning. And for our son, we also got his cute little Sambas. He's not walking yet, so this is mainly to finish his outfit. So the one that I got, well, we actually got him 2 sizes so that he can be twinning with us for a longer period of time. So the one that I'm currently holding is a size 20, and we also got him, I think it was a size, yeah, it's a size 21. So he has a 20 and a 21 centimeter. And what's cute with the baby Sambas is that they arrive in, as you can see in here, this is very close. This is just elastic, but the thing is they are sewn. So if I want my son to wear this a little bit longer, we have to take off the sewn elastic part and we can put the normal laces. So the size 20 and the 21, so for babies Sambas, they arrive, like I mentioned, with a sewn lace, but they also give you a additional normal lace, so which is cool. So I'm going to put the quick reels that I have uploaded on my Instagram where the 3 of us were wearing the same pair of shoes. So that is my review of the Sambas itself. In short, they are very comfy. Size-wise, they are very narrow type of shoes, so better to try them if you'll be able to try the pair of shoes. If I have to compare it to another Adidas Stan Smith, for example, the Stan Smiths are wider than the Sambas. I think they kind of like the same as the Converse, so the original Converse in leather. they are same width, so they're very narrow. So they are comfy, they are narrow, so it kind of like you snug well, and they're very versatile, easy to wear with different outfits, and price tag 120 euros. I think it's a good price value for what it is. So do I think that the Sambas are still in for 2024? I think I sums it up quite well, and it's a definite yes. Due to that, I opted for another one. I know they are great, but I wanted something just, you know, same style, but in a different color combo. So let me share with you the other Sambas that I have added to my collection. So this is a live unboxing, guys, and the one that I got is, just a sec, I'm going to take it off. Oh, yes, again, it's the Instagram, but they are so nice. Here are my brand new Sambas, and these are in the black and cream color. Can you see that? Oh my, oh, look at this. First impression, guys, I didn't know that it's like that. So as you can see, it has black laces, and it comes with a white lace as well. Wow. And I got them also for 120 euros, but this time I got them from Foot Locker. I checked everywhere, and also starting to be out of stock. This color combo, as well as the cream and black. I was actually debating between this and the cream and black, but at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, I'll take this one since I already have the original Samba, which is a lighter color. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take this darker tone, which anyways, I know I can wear it 24/7, well, not really 24/7, but you know, all year round, like the original one. And it's very wait, let me show you in comparison to the original Samba. Okay, so this is how they look like. So as you can see, the sole for the original one is a lot darker. This is not the vegan one, this is really the OG one. So it's a lot darker. The sole in here is a bit lighter, more on the tan neutral color. As up for the front, they look like that. To know if I have the original one, I think it's because it's a blue one. The vegan one, it's green, and then they have the new one. I don't know which one is that, but it's a gold one. But yeah, so that's the front, and then the back looks like that. And wow, they are both nice. Oh, the sole are different, as you can see on the original one and this one, but the bottom part, they're the same. I can even wear them together like that, black pair, and then I don't know if I will be able to, but yeah. Oh my gosh. And yeah, same thing, 36. So both of them are 36. No difference at all, as you can see. Same size and narrow. So yeah, so this is the new addition, the Sambas. I think I will just stick with this too, because a lighter version and a darker version, I think it's already good. So yeah, I will let you know what I think about this in a few videos afterwards, and I will also show you how I will, with what I'm going to wear this. I'm going to post it on my Instagram, so go check my Instagram account for that. So yeah, this is the new Sambas, and that's my review for the original Sambas. There you go, guys. So that was my review of my Adidas Sambas in the original version, and also my thoughts if these are still in for 2024, and the surprise unboxing as well of my second Sambas. So I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way. If you have any questions or whatsoever, please free to put them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And yeah, for those of you who have enjoyed this video, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who are enjoying the content of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future video. So until then, I hope to see you soon on my next video. Thank you for always tuning in, and take care. Bye.
Mm-hmm.